welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and it's been so long. I'm showing you that I had to let my nail grow out because my pinky broke in half. So I stopped doing my nails, doing other nails. My nails was hurting because my pinky broke. It had nothing to do with fake nail, just so you know. So I just needed my nails to breathe. So I'm cleaning up my nails again. You know, I'm always eating curry. I haven't ate curry in a while now. This was recorded on August 23rd of last month, and the nails that I'm doing here I still have on, and so by the time I post this it'll be the 7th, and I'll still have the nails on. I don't plan on taking them off until the following Monday. So the 10th, 10th, 11th, around there, so it'll be 3 weeks at least. I am cleaning up my natural nails in order to have a nice install. Basically, it feels really good and really weird to be editing and talking. I've been doing a lot of other stuff, traveling, cleaning, organizing the house, decorating the house, and like doing nails, but not creating content doing nails. So it just feels really good to be editing and posting again. I'm not sure how much talking I'll do because this is a basic set. It's just a deep French tip set. I actually cut them too short. I wanted them longer. I thought they were longer, but after I finished polishing, I realized how short they were. So the next time I do it, they'll be longer, and it'll probably be a black with kawaii. I miss having kawaii nails. I have basic nails still on right now to this day, and I missed the kawaii. So those will be coming next. I also just want to be trying different techniques and stuff, so those will be coming up at some point. I will be doing like a 30-day challenge of posting 30 days straight because I have done it before somewhere else. So I'm just trying to get ready and get all the ideas together. I get mad at myself when things don't come together in my head the way I think they should go. So just once that's all played out in my head, be on the lookout for that. Like I said, at least 30 days straight. These tips are from either Shein or AliExpress. They're really thick, and I didn't buy any other ones like it, and I don't normally reach for them. I have done them on people's nails that got their nails done at my house. I didn't take these to my station, which I'm glad for, because I don't have all the other nails, long nails I have here are like coffin shape, and none were square, so they came in handy. I'm using a new gel, and yes, I did put my nail on crooked. Don't judge me, judge somebody else. They're on, they still on. So I fixed it with the Polygel to make it look more straight. If you are looking at that, like I said, yeah, I think that's it for right now. If I have something else to say, I'll check back in. But if not, just enjoy the music, and thank you again for clicking the video. See you in the next one. I have another pair right after this to post. So yeah, so excited to be back. Thank you for still being here. And like I said, more content to come. If you have anything you want to see or ideas that you want me to try to do, go ahead and leave me in a comment and let me know. Thank you again for watching, and enjoy your weekend.
passion. Yeah, sweet concussion.